waterfall, working in a silo, no integration, test face frustration. PM in the status call, bad news. She says the change is coming. Once again, it's in out. Look out, kid, it's gonna be big. God knows whether this will work in the end. You better hide down an alleyway, strap in for a long day. Man in Stetson hat talking big in the business, wants 11 more of these, but you can only do 10. We can be more fleet-foot, positive outlook, joined up teamwork, scaled as a framework. Change happens every day, embrace a new way. Can it go out early May? No problem, we say. Well done, kids. Look what you did. Customer engagement, employee empowerment. This is for those that step out of the shadows. Avoid the low blows. Progress never slows. You don't need a weatherman to know which way the wind blows. Oh, new work, new roles, close sprint, retro. Prepare for the demo. Agile manifesto. PI planning. Better understanding. Business context. Realize the concept. Well done, kids. Look what you did. Enablers, features, I'm a believer. Refine the backlog, promote dialogue. Everyone's a leader. Watch us parking meters.